You ready to do it again? Ready?
No, he's not yet.
Mommy doesn't have the upper body strength
Ready?
to do that.
So you can make the noise again?
Come on, Nadia.
I think there's rules about not shaking your baby. Mommy, do it. Mommy can't do it. Daddy can. Ready?